Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video we have a CAT 2017 paragraph summary question. We'll analyze the paragraph first and then we'll get to the answer options and try to figure out which is the best answer. Let's go through the paragraph first. North American walnut, sphinx, moth caterpillars. From now onwards we'll just call them North American caterpillars. Look like easy meals for birds, but they have a trick up their sleeves. They produce whistles that sound like bird alarm calls. So what are they using? They are using deception here, right? Their whistles, they sound like bird alarm calls, scaring potential predators away. So potential predators, these are birds, right? So their whistles are similar to bird alarm calls. What this basically means is these whistles, they confuse the birds. At first, scientists suspected birds were simply startled by the loud noise, but a new study suggests a more sophisticated mechanism. So this is just not a loud noise, this whistle, but there is a mechanism at play. What is that mechanism? The caterpillar's whistle appears to mimic a bird alarm call, sending avian predators scrambling for cover. So birds feel as if one of their fellow birds has sent out an alarm call, and this makes sure that these birds run away. They scramble for cover. When pecked by a bird, the caterpillars whistle by compressing their bodies like an accordion, like a musical instrument, and forcing air out through their specialized holes in their sides. The whistles are impressively loud. They've been measured at over 80 decibels from 5 centimeters away from the caterpillar, considering they are made by a 2-inch long instinct. For a very small insect, the sound is incredibly loud, impressively loud. So that's what the author wants to say. The whole paragraph basically just wants to say one thing, right? That these insects, they are using deception to confuse these birds, right? So that's the sentiment we are looking for in the summaries. Option A, North American moth caterpillars will whistle periodically to ward off predator birds. They have specialized vocal tract that helps them whistle. Do they whistle periodically? No, they don't whistle periodically. They whistle when they are pecked by a bird. So factually incorrect. Option number B, North American moth caterpillars can whistle very loudly. The loudness of their whistles is shocking as they are very small insects. The problem with this is, yes, they are very small insects, but the problem is this, that the paragraph is not about the loudness of their whistles, it's about deception. Option number B misses that out. Option number C, North American moth caterpillars, in a case of acoustic deception, produce whistles that mimic bird alarm calls to defend themselves. This looks like a very good answer option. It includes the sentiment of deception, so we keep this in the reckoning. Option number D, North American moth caterpillars, in a case of deception and camouflage, produce whistles that mimic bird alarm calls to defend themselves. So between these two answer options, there is only one difference. Option number C talks about acoustic deception. Option number D talks about deception and camouflage. Remember, what is camouflage? Camouflaging is when you change your physical appearance to match that of your surroundings so that you cannot be spotted by the predators. Are the insects, are the caterpillars indulging in camouflage? They are not indulging in camouflage. That has not been mentioned in the paragraph. So option number D is outside the scope of the passage. Here there is a very subtle change. Just one word has been added. So if you're not too careful about it, you can get misled into selecting this particular answer option. So these are things that you've got to be careful of when you're picking answers. Option number C is the correct answer here. Hopefully so you're clear with the question now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and this is Prashant signing off, and as always, happy learning.